From above, the desert becomes a grid of green, symmetrical rows stretching into the sun. These are date palms, standing tall and silent, their feathery crowns swaying gently in the dry air. Each tree is a monument to patience, tradition, and resilience. Date farming is an ancient practice, thousands of years old. The date palm, Phoenix dactylifera, thrives in arid climates where few other crops can survive. It demands intense heat, low humidity, and deep roots that reach down to hidden water. This aerial view shows more than a plantation. It reveals a system, trees planted in perfect order, spaced for sunlight and airflow. Between them, irrigation lines pulse with life, often using modern drip systems to conserve water in desert regions. Growing dates takes time. A palm tree can take 4 to 8 years to produce fruit, and up to 10 years for a full harvest. But once mature, a single tree can yield over 100 kilograms of dates in a season. The farming process is precise and mostly manual. Workers climb the tall palms to pollinate the flowers by hand, often using ladders or harnesses. Later, as the dates ripen, they are carefully bagged to protect them from pests and birds. When the time comes, the ripe fruit is harvested by hand, one cluster at a time. Date palms are more than trees. They are lifelines in desert economies, a symbol of sustenance, heritage, and the will to thrive where others cannot. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of date farming from above, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more aerial stories from the land.